Hello and welcome to Math 200 Statistics here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz. In this video we will go over a homework problem from section 2.1 to 2.3, and in this problem they want us to find the 5-number summary given a stem and leaf plot. So this is our stem and leaf plot. We have a 1, 3, 3, a stem of 2 and leaves 6, 7, 7, a stem of 3, 6, 7, etc. So we can break that up and make up our original data set by looking at these numbers as 1, 3, so that's 13, another 1, 3, that's another 13, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, and another 27, 36, 37, 40, 44, 45, 46, etc. All right, once you have that, it'd be good to have that on a list. And here is our list of these values that we have acquired from the stem and leaf plot. Now, coming from a stem and leaf plot, we already have this in order. If this was not in order yet, it might be good if you can sort it in order. But now this is in order, and they want us to find the minimum, Q1, the median, Q2, and the maximum. So the minimum would just be the smallest number, which is 13. There happens to be 2 of them, but the smallest number is still going to be 13. So that's not a big deal. Also, the maximum is the largest number. We'll just call that 61. Now, if you're doing this by hand, with a small amount of data, you should be able to. It's not a problem. It'd be important for us to figure out how many data points we have. In this case, we have 18 numbers altogether. Half of 18 is 9. Since 18 is an even number, the half, which is 9, kind of brings you the first half, and then the second half is a 10. And so to find the median, since this is an even number, we imagine to split the data up into 2 pieces, and the 2 middle numbers for an even number will be 45 and 44 in this case. And so we're going to want the average of these 2 numbers that are both in the middle of our data set. These numbers that are both in the middle of our even number data set. So we will have the average of that, which is going to be 44.5. All right, now doing this by hand with an even number data set, we know that 1 through 9 will give the first half of the data set. So maybe let's fill that in with a certain color, and then the numbers 10 through 18 will give you another set, another data set. And so here is our data set now. The first half of the data set goes from 13 through 44, and then the second half of our data set goes from 45 through 61. Now, if we take a look at the first half, there are 9 numbers here in this data set. So the very middle, 9 is an odd number, the very middle of that is going to be 27. So our Q1 should be 27. And then if we take a look at the second half of our data set and take half of that, so we're going to count from 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's going to be the 14th number, and that is the number 55. All right. Now, there are ways to find the 5-number summary with our program if we have a large number, sorted or unsorted. There's a quicker way of finding the quartiles and the median, basically the 5-number summary. However, some of the values that they give is a little bit different from what you would normally get, and it would depend on the size of your data, whether it's an odd number or an even number. Then you have to choose one of the 2 different commands. And so let's just not worry about that for right now, and let's just go with what we have here, and these should be the solutions to this problem. All right, I hope that helps. Good luck.